Hello everyone, I am Kedar Khanolkar from Vector Informatic. So in this video KB article, we will discuss about an example for loop test UDP for Ethernet interface. In this video, we will be using VN5620, which is a network-based device. The mentioned video KB is from the article 13490, which is located at this link. So the common question is, how can I verify that my Ethernet hardware setup in combination with Canoe is working correctly? So for this, the example configuration which we have provided in the article, with this example, you can test your hardware setup using a so-called loop test. So now I have downloaded the configuration provided in the article. I have extracted it and opened it in Canoe 17. So you can see in this configuration there are two networks, Ethernet underscore 1, ETH underscore 1 and ETH underscore 2. Now for the hardware setup, we will open our vector hardware manager and we will make it in the, so this is the view where we will log in and we will click on add network and we will keep the name as same ETH underscore for the first network, and I will add the second network as ETH underscore 2. Now I will add the switch here and the second switch as well, and now I will add the port 1, which we will name it as measurement server, and we will keep it as 100 base T1 master. Similarly, I will add a port for client with the name, and I will make it as a 100 base T1 slave, and I will click on accept. With this settings done, I will click on deploy. OK. I will switch back to view mode. So you can see this is how your Ethernet network status should look like. Now for the physical port, you need to loop the physical port 1 to physical port 2 of your VN5620 with the appropriate cable. Make sure that the ports you are using bear the correct names MEAS server and MEAS clients, and these ports are connected with each other, forming a loop. Now coming to our Canoe setup. So in the Canoe setup, we can see that now the Canoe setup is open and there are the two networks. Now we can start the measurement, and once the measurement is started, you can see that there is a link up for the MEAS server and MEAS client here with the 100 Mbit per second. If this is not the case, please check the hardware configuration of physical port 1 and physical port 2 and check the loop cable for any pinning issues. Now press U to send a UDP packet from the node server to node client. So in the trace window, the following packet should appear. So the RX packet must appear on the port server, right? And the packet is then seen as TX packet on the port MEAS server. The packet is then seen as RX packet on the port MEAS underscore client. And finally, a packet is seen on the port client. So this completes the communication and the loop test for UDP in network-based access for Ethernet device VN5620. Thank you.